Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my new YouTube video. So in this video we are going to create a profile card which will have a drop down menu. When we click on this icon, drop down menu will open and closes itself. So let's get started and know how we can code it. So first of all we will create our HTML5 file. Now let's add our title. Now we will add our style.css file. Now let's set our HTML content. Now let's start our style.css file. I have already included my font family from Google Fonts. Now let's set our margin and padding, which will be 0, and now let's set our font family to Ubuntu, which I already have imported. After that we will add our box sizing, which will be border box. Now let's start styling our body element. The picture I have added is too large, so let's set its width to 70 pixel so it is displayed on a page. Now let's check how our content is. Now let's add our CSS for card tag. Now let's check how it is looking. So it is looking good. Now let's add some more CSS to our content element. Let's remove our width which we have added before, and let's check how it is looking right now. So my picture is not looking good, so let's add some width and height for our image to make it look better. So let's check how my picture is looking. So picture is looking good. Now let's add our object fit element to make it cover. Now let's check. So it is still looking like same. So let's add css to for our h2 element. Let's check now. So it is looking good. Now let's add our list to link. Now let's check how our list is looking. So it is looking good. Now let's add some icons from ion icons. We can add these two lines in our code after our body element to make ion icons integrated into our web application. Now let's add our icons to our list. Now let's check how our icons are looking. So they are looking correct. Now let's add css for our list element and icons to make them look beautiful. Let's check now. So it is looking good. Now let's change our color and text decoration as. Let's check now. Let's add some CSS to make some spacing between icon and text, and also add icon for our drop down list, which will be added after our list from ion icons. Now let's write CSS for our drop down link and as well as for our elements of list items. Now let's check. So our icon is not centered. Let's make it centered. Let's check now. So our icon is looking good. Now let's add some animation to make it rotate whenever we click on it. Let's check now. So it is looking good. Now let's to add our animation we need to write a JS function. So let's write it. Now let's check if our icon is rotating or not. So it is rotating. Now let's hide our list when we click on it and display it again. To do that, we need to change our height for card from 400 pixel to 120 pixel and add some overflow hidden as well. So let's check. So let's hide these elements right now by adding overflow hidden. Let's check now. So they are hidden. So let's write a css to display them when we click on drop down button. So to do that, we need to write css for our card.active class. So let's check now. So our final product is working correctly. So this is it. So remember me in your prayers, keep supporting me, and thank you guys for supporting me. Allah Hafiz.